Hi there, welcome to Helping Hand. It's a place where you can put on jobs which you want someone else to volunteer for, or you can always volunteer for someone else's job as well. So it's a kind of sharing the work. This is the front page which asks for login, and if you're new, you can always go for a free account. Here, in order to show you guys the validation, I'm putting on the wrong details right now. So I'm putting on future date, future birthday, all the validation errors which I can get out these ones now. Okay, so let's try to pull the correct one. help.hand@health.com. If you guys want to try this thing later on, you can always use on this email ID help.hand@health.com with the password 1234567 I'm hitting on register and it's done. Okay. If I try to log in with wrong password, I should get an error. Now for right one. This is the dashboard. It has all the jobs which someone has posted, but no one has opted to work for them right now. We can check on clicking view about who is the person who has posted it and at what location he wants this job to be done and what is the job. This is the job, clean my car, and when it is posted. If I'm willing to volunteer for this job, I can click on add it and it's on my bucket list now. Let's try to create a new job. Let's say I want to create a new job for grocery. Help me pick my grocery. At Burbank. If I go back and check, it's there. Notice that there is a difference in actions of the above three jobs and the one which I have just added. It's due to the fact that the above three jobs are not added by Help Hand. They are added by someone else, Handy Test or Test 1. So these jobs can only be edited or removed by those persons. I can only add on these jobs and get the job done or do the job, that's it. Here I can click on edit and I can edit the job which I just created. So let's say if it's not Burbank and it's, let's say, San Jose, and if I just save it, it's showing me San Jose now. So I can click on remove as well. It will be removed, but there are two ways to remove a job. First one is if a person who have created it and he can remove the job only up to the time when someone has not opted to volunteer for it. If I have opted to volunteer for car wash, then this job is not in the jobs list anymore. It's on my list now. Although it was added by someone else, but it's on my list now. So I am the only one person who can remove it from the database, and once the job is done, finished from my end, I'll click on done and then it will be removed. Other way is the person who has added it can remove it, but only up to the time where no one has opted for it. So if I click on remove here, I can remove it. If I want to work for this job, instead of going from view to then add it, I can also click on add here and it will be added to my job. For each page, the logout works the same way. You can always click on logout just to render or to come out of the dashboard. This is pretty much it, and it helps to connect, network, and better understand each other. Try playing with it. The email ID and password as shared by me is, you can choose on anyone, but the one which I just created is help hand@hand.com with the password 1234567 This is it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching it.